What's going on, everybody? It is Dog with the Vlog coming at you with a brand new video once again back at the old stomping grounds because I'm filming this video the same day that I'm filming my Yeezy review. I just changed shirts. Yes, that's what we are on. So I got two shoes yesterday. One of them did show up like 2 days early. The Yeezys were right on time, but this other pair of shoes did show up a little bit early. So let's go ahead and take a look. As the box says, the Air Max 270, as you can see, it does say Air 270 here. All white box with, it says Air Max, TL Air, Zoom Air, like a bunch of different Air Max logos all over the box, like almost watermark looking. I doubt you guys can see that. You can kind of get a little bit of a glare there. But obviously it's just a regular white Nike box. And then we've got the sizing label here in a 10.5. This is a shoe that I saw. It's Air Max 270. Like I said, I think it's a really unique model that I saw previously when they first originally dropped. But this is actually one of the colorways that they sort of debuted when they announced the shoe. And it was one that right when I saw it, I was like, yep, I need it. I gotta have it. I gotta get it in the collection so I can wear it every day and only wear it sometimes though, actually, and save it for 30 years. So in 30 years, I can still wear the shoes. It's all sentimental. It's all superficial. We're all gonna die. The Air Max 270 Dusty Cactus. As you can see, it is a primarily white and black shoe with this really flamola teal color that's really popping in this natural light from this window that's behind the camera. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Here on the bottom, we have the black and an iced out sort of bottom to the Air unit where it says Air Max once again in that teal color. And then we've got that really hard piece here, but this is all a very soft, almost gel feeling material that runs through here. Up on the top, we've got the sort of half Air unit, half outsole. The outsole is just a standard Nike foam with the Air unit that wraps around the back. Obviously, I don't need to say this. This is the tallest Air unit of all time ever put on an Air Max with 270 pounds of air inside of this one bag. Your mom's a fucking bag. And then we've got this reflective, like shiny, basically plastic piece that then wraps up with the 270 hit here. Then we've got Air right here. The majority of the upper is just sort of a standard mesh with like kind of a cover on the mesh. I still don't really know what this would be considered. It almost has a leather feel to it, but you can see the mesh underneath. But that's here on the toe cap with that Nike swoosh. And then it's also sort of here on the paneling on the lateral and medial side. We've got more of that teal with a raised lettering that says 270, another Nike swoosh that's on either side. And then on the back, it's sort of this nice, almost like tech mesh feel to it. Once again, Air teal with the Nike swoosh and Air 270 right here. The tongue, it's sort of like a one-piece booty system. And so on the tongue here, we have the laces, which are just standard sort of, they're a little thicker than the regular lace, but they're not necessarily rope laces. They're sort of a hybrid. And then we've got Air 270 in black, once again, in that sort of raised, embossed font here. On the inside, we've got 326, which obviously is Air Max Day, which is, you know, when I'm going to be wearing these, of course. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, is today the 26th? What the fuck? Today's the 25th. Tomorrow will be the 26th. So I'll try to upload it on that day, but it's kind of cool because these were actually supposed to come on the 26th, so to get them a little bit early so I can wear them on the 26th is super fucking fire. But that's the shoe. I did go a size 10.5, my true size, and it fits pretty perfectly. So if you are gonna get these or get any Air Max 270, I definitely recommend just going your true size. I think these are still around, you can still find them, which is totally cool. I like how they're kind of just throwing out colorways and making them pretty easily accessible to everybody who wants them, and it's not like a hype or exclusivity thing. And they've also been doing some restocks on a lot of the original colors, which is cool because those did sell out really quick, I think, as Nike was sort of testing the waters. So if you guys want these, you can definitely always find them. Once again, Sneaker Shouts on Twitter, follow them, you can probably find them, or just be keeping an eye on Nike.com on the sneakers app and just kind of shopping around. But this is it, the Air Max 270, probably my favorite Air Max silhouette since the 97 probably. I just think they really knocked it out of the park with this one. I like to see them kind of getting back to that casual wear, which is kind of what a lot of their most popular Air Max models, the 90s, the ones, the 97s, the 95s, and 98s are sort of worn more casual than obviously fitness. And so I think that that's kind of where the Air Max belongs, you know, especially with shoes like the Vapor Max that can sort of fill that that performance niche. But that's the shoe. I'm Dog with a Vlog. You guys are awesome, and I'll talk to you super, super soon. Peace.